You've seen those Stickman channels blowing up on YouTube, a handful of videos, and suddenly they're pulling in thousands of dollars. This channel right here did exactly that. And yes, you can do the same thing. But here's what nobody tells you. Not every Stickman video gets monetized. YouTube flags a lot of new Stickman content as inauthentic. The good news? The format I'm about to show you is 100% monetizable, as long as you follow 4 rules. I'll cover all 4 later in this video, but 3 of them are non-negotiable. Skip them, and you're rolling the dice on demonetization. One more thing before we start. If you're doing Stickman animation, go with the finance niche. It has the highest RPM and CPM out of any niche on the platform. But first, let me show you a video I made using this exact method.
Ever wonder why your money disappears even when you work hard? These 7 habits might be quietly stealing your future wealth. Habit number 1 is spending first and saving whatever is left. Unfortunately, there's usually nothing left by payday's end.
Open up ChatGPT. In the description, you'll find 2 prompts. Paste the first one in. We're targeting a US audience here because that's where the real earning potential is. The prompt is built to think like a US viewer. The pacing, the references, even the type of problem the story revolves around. So don't skip this step or swap in your own wording. The exact phrasing matters more than it looks like it does. Once you paste it in, ChatGPT will spit out 20 video ideas. Read through all 20 before picking one. Don't just grab the first one that sounds decent. You're looking for an idea with a clear twist potential and a loop-friendly ending, since that's what drives replay value on shorts. I'm going with idea number 7 for this example. Now take the second prompt from the description, paste it in, and scroll to the bottom where it says Insert Video Topic. Drop your chosen idea in there. ChatGPT will now generate your scenes and narration one at a time. It won't dump everything at once. It walks you through it scene by scene so you can course correct early if something feels off. For this video, I'm only pulling 5 scenes, but you can go as long as you want. As each scene comes in, read it before moving to the next one. If a scene doesn't fit the twist you're building toward, tell ChatGPT to regenerate just that scene instead of restarting the whole thing. It'll keep the rest of your story intact. Once all your scenes are locked in, copy them out into a separate doc or notes file. You'll need them in order for the next 2 steps, so don't skip this. Head over to Google Flow and start a new project. First, check if your agent is turned on. If not, flip it on. This step gets skipped a lot, and if it's off, your scenes either won't generate properly or will come out inconsistent with each other. Now, just write the same thing as I am and send it to Flow. Watch. Flow will generate all your scenes together in one go. Next, go back to ChatGPT, grab each video prompt one at a time, paste it in, and hit generate. Do this in the same order as your scene list. Flow uses the previous scene as visual context for the next one, so generating out of order can throw off character consistency across your Stickman animation. It'll ask you to confirm. This run costs 75 credits, and you start with 1,000 free credits. If you want to know how to get more credits for free, drop a comment. I'll make a full video on that. Let the generation run. This part takes a little patience. Depending on how many scenes you're doing, it can take a few minutes per batch. Once it's done, go through each generated scene and check it against your script. If anything looks off, wrong pose, broken motion, a background that doesn't match, don't move forward with it. Regenerate that single scene now before you're deep into editing. It's a 5-second fix here versus a re-edit later. Once every scene checks out, all your scenes are ready. Like scene 4 didn't for me. Just regenerate that one scene on its own. Now, 2 steps down, 1 to go. Voice narration. This last step is the difference between a video that sounds robotic and one that actually holds attention till the end. Open ElevenLabs and head to the Voices tab. Pick a voice, set the language to English and the accent to USA, since this is a narration-style video. You'll see a huge library of voices to choose from. Pick whichever fits your tone. New accounts get 10,000 free credits to start, so you've got room to experiment. I already had a voice saved, so I will use that one. Paste your narration in, scene by scene. Here's the most important setting in this entire process. Select V3. This unlocks the Enhance feature, which adds natural emotion to the voice. Click Enhance, and the AI will automatically pick the right expression for the line. Then hit Generate. That's all 3 steps done. I have also provided all AI tools links in description. You can check them out. Your video is basically ready, but if you skip what I'm about to say, YouTube might never let it earn a single dollar. If you want this channel to actually get monetized, lock in these 4 things. 1. Never post raw footage. Every video needs motion effects, sound effects, and narration layered in during editing. If it looks like you just stitched clips together and uploaded, YouTube will treat it as low effort. 2. Never reuse the same thumbnail template. YouTube currently flags identical-looking thumbnails as repeated content, even if the videos themselves are different. Keep every thumbnail visually distinct. 3. Add a real story structure, not just a scene dump. YouTube's reused, repetitious content policy specifically targets channels posting AI-generated clips with no added value. A twist, a build-up, a payoff. 4. Use only royalty-free or properly licensed music and SFX. Even one Content ID claim on background music can block monetization on that video, or trigger a channel-wide review. Stick to sources like the YouTube audio library, Pixabay, or audio you generate yourself in ElevenLabs. Follow all 4, plus the process above, and you've got a channel built the right way from day one.